Good evening, good afternoon, or good morning, wherever you're tuned in around the world. Welcome back to Barber, and we are at Tenerife Airport. I haven't filmed coming through security. We're at the end of the end of the cruise, isn't it? End of the Azura Cruise. It's been very, very pleasant. So the important thing, let's get to the intro. As I always say, please, if you like our videos, please like and subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. Let's get moving forward with a purpose. As I said, we're at Tenerife Airport. We've just had something to eat. It's underwhelming, but it's fine. Found a little bit of a hidden gem. It's on the first floor. Just as you walk down towards the Burger King area, there's a little sign saying upstairs to some toilets. Quiet little seating area with some toilets behind you, so if you got a bit of an upset stomach or anything. Bit of a gem in that corner. Water fountain. So our flight at the moment is delayed, which is annoying. So we're meant to go at 2:45. 2:45 or 3:45? No, 3:45. We're going at 4:30 at the moment. I think I've tracked it on the way down. LS flights on the way down, so it's coming down at 35,000 feet. Now, do I bore you with the 01, 0203? Do I bore you? Do I bore them, everyone, with the route? Still not up for the route. I can tell you a rough route. We'll be departing on 04, then flying straight out of 04, climbing up to, I reckon, cruising altitude 36,000 feet. And we'll be departing towards Santa Cruz. Then after takeoff, doing a left-hand turn with the northerly heading, then flying with the Morocco, just with Gran Canaria on your right hand side and Morocco then on your right. Then we'll be passing Port Ventura and Lanzarote. They will be on the right. Routing will take us straight up towards Lisbon, where we will pass overhead Lisbon, and then routing after that will take us towards La Coruna. We'll be going east of La Coruna towards the town of Ovidano, in between Gijon and Santander, where we'll overfly the Bay of Biscay, heading slightly east of Brest, then towards the Channel Islands. And once we get to the Channel Islands, we'll then go overhead Cherbourg, and then start our descent into a windy UK. I reckon a 2:06 left arrival into London Gatwick. I reckon it's going to be about 4 hours because the aircraft's delayed on the way back, and looking at its ground speed, it's only doing a ground speed of 400 miles an hour, which means he might have a bit of a headwind. We'll see how we get on. I'll go and show you around in a minute, but Janice was excited about that route. I'm glad you're all excited. Let's have a look around. You clean this glass. C-34 to C-40. Plane's not landed yet, so we'll sit down and relax. Gone through passport control. Be good.
When you get my phone, I'll show you the chair there. Imagine that, they'll be sick, it's going to hurt, I'm holding up there. So, better walk in there, yeah. It's very expensive. So, there you go.
Numbers, and then we got two buses out there, so they don't have a dinner. I'm going to go by the window. Different music this time.
Only drink alcohol that's served by us. You can use your mobile phones and any tablet throughout the flight, as long as they're in flight mode. If you've got any larger items like laptops, these must be switched off and put away during takeoff. If you lose your device, it becomes damaged, hot, or produces smoke, you need to tell us immediately. And just so you know, smoking and vaping are not allowed.
Please now make sure any bags are safely put away and your seatbelt is fastened ready for takeoff.
We'll be on our way shortly.
a light on the plane. Not going to be able to do a lot of filming on this landing. This camera doesn't like it, so I'll be turning the camera on right at the last minute of filming for the landing, because this Insta360 is not very good in the dark. Got a couple of beers, and that's all I can have now. Got myself bit of comfort food. Gone for the cheese and ham toasty. Janice has gone for the margarita pizza twist.
Just fancy something hot.
And the twist is, it doesn't play Jess Glynn when you open it. That's the twist. Gonna eat this, and 36,000 feet, so I was bang on with the route. FO's flying us back. As I said, it's going to be a bit dark for landings. I'm only going to film right to the last minute. Hope you enjoyed the flight as much as I've enjoyed having a beer and filming ourselves.
Please stay seated and buckled up until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
When you do get up to go, please make sure you've got your phone, passport, keys, and all other valuables. Just to let you know, anything left behind will be handed to our ground team here. Take care when you open the overhead lockers, and some things may have moved during the flight. Just so you know, you're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal, or in the terminal itself.
Our friendly representatives are all ready.
Right, I'm going to do the sign off here as we get the transit over to North Terminal. Hope everyone's enjoyed the videos of the cruise ships, and I know the Jet 2 landing was a little bit dark, but we knew that. So if everyone likes what we're doing, please like and subscribe. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be, because we are back over to Tenerife for 10 days, 5 days Porto Cruise, and 5 days Los Cristianos. I'll see if we do the flight or not, but that would be EasyJet. In the meantime, please be nice and respectful in the comments. Not a professional YouTuber, it's not a full-time job. Had to cut this video a little bit short because of the dark and everything. Good night, take care, and we will see you on the next one, whatever that would be. It'd probably be another flight out with EasyJet over to Tenerife, if I get a window seat or not. Take care, see you on the next one. From me, from her, bye bye.